HubSpot is inbound marketing and sales software that helps companies attract visitors, convert leads, and close customers. And getting onboarded with HubSpot through a HubSpot agency partner like Gate39 Media doesn't have to be daunting. While our HubSpot team uses a step-by-step process to guide you during implementation and onboarding, we've also put together a list of 5 key onboarding steps to ensure you're set up for success. Number 1. Get ready. First, we'll prepare your team for the different phases of the implementation and onboarding process. Once you understand the timeline, decide who from your company will need access to the HubSpot account and what level of access they should have in accessing your marketing, sales, and service tools. The most important part of getting started with HubSpot is to get your team excited and prepared. Keep them updated on your progress and emphasize the key tools they can take advantage of once you're up and running. Number 2, get set up. Once you're ready to get into HubSpot, the first things you'll want to do is go through your settings list and fill out some basic information: company name, address, time zone, logo, etc. You'll also want to decide on what language to use for your GDPR statements. While HubSpot has default verbiage for privacy and consent options, it's always best to tailor it to your organization or consult with your legal or compliance team. This phase is when you should invite your team to set up their own HubSpot accounts and import your existing contacts. Number 3, get connected. When the basics of your account are in place, you'll have the opportunity to connect and integrate your HubSpot account with outside websites or web apps such as Outlook. By connecting these accounts, you'll be able to access your sales tools directly from your inbox. When it comes to integrating your HubSpot with your website, this includes connecting your domains and installing the HubSpot plugin or tracking code. We recommend connecting your Google Analytics account to your HubSpot, as well as any social media accounts to create a centralized location for your different types of sales and marketing data. Number 4, get familiar. Now that you've spent some time getting your HubSpot account in good shape, you'll be ready to learn about even more tools and integrations HubSpot can offer. Subscribe to the HubSpot user blog to keep up with the latest insights in marketing, and visit the HubSpot products page to browse available add-ons. Finally, review your account dashboard to ensure that it is customized to the needs of your organization. Gaining familiarity on how to add and remove all reports to your dashboard will make for a most efficient rollout. Number 5, get going. At this point, you'll be ready to start making some key changes to your website using HubSpot's marketing tools, such as replacing existing website forms, calls to action, and email templates with ones built in HubSpot so that you can track all of that valuable data in one central location. HubSpot is user-friendly, and making HubSpot a regular part of your day-to-day operations will make for a great impact in the long run. Just remember, it may take some time for everyone on your team to adapt to using this new tool with confidence. If you'd like to know more about how HubSpot can elevate your sales and marketing, or are interested in taking a personal demo of HubSpot, contact Gate39 Media today. For more marketing tips and tricks, be sure to check out Gate39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for stopping by.